How to make a sticky header in WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create sticky header on WordPress. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your WordPress website and you'll get right here. This is one of the test websites that I have, and today I'll show you how to create a sticky header on a WordPress website to make your website look more engaging and aesthetically pleasing. Let's get into it. First of all, once you open up your WordPress, this is where you will get the panel, and what you guys need to do is simply scroll down to plugins and then click on add new. Once you click on add new, here we can add different plugins to our WordPress website, and I'll be adding a sticky header plugin so that we can create a header. So you just have to search for sticky header. If you have no idea about a sticky header means that, for example, I have a header on a website, and once we go down like this, we scroll down and the header disappears. But sometimes what we can do is we can stick our header at the top of the screen, and even if you scroll down on the website, the header still remains on its place. So that is known as a sticky header, and that's what we can create with all of these different plugins. You can see we have this one, sticky menu and sticky header. This is how it looks. And then we have a floating notification bar, sticky menu, sticky header effect for Elementor. Then we have others as well. I'm gonna add the first one. You can see it has more than 100,000 active installations compatible with WordPress version. Click on install now, and it will just take a few seconds to install. So we can install any of these. Let's actually go with this one. Click on install and then click on activate. I already have this one. So you can see it has actually more than 200,000 active installation. So sticky header effects for Elementor. So we can go with this one. Click on activate and you will be able to activate it and use it with your Elementor. So what we can do is we can create sticky headers now. So it has been added to my plugins. I'm just going to search for it and open it up. So you can see this is what it will look like. This is a sticky header that we can create with this. Now I will just open it up. So I have opened it up. You can also go with sticky header 2020. So here we are, and I'll show you how we can customize some of the settings to create a sticky header. First of all, you can see this is what it will look like, and it's a sticky header, but this is where it will say the name of your website. There's also a pro version available for this plugin right here, so you can go with this one too. We will be using the free version today. So first of all, customize. I'm gonna click on settings, and it will take me to the settings of a sticky header where I can go ahead and customize it. So here we have our header, and what I'm gonna do now is I will customize it. So on our website here, you can see now I'm getting a sticky header option. So first of all, we have to select the header selector ID. So this is going to be the hashtag, and this is actually creating a code for us too. We don't have to do anything. We're just working here, and I will show you how to customize it. First of all, you can select a background color for your header. So maybe we can go with a purple color or something like that. So I'm gonna go with this color right here. Then I'm gonna scroll down to the height of our header. So you can see the header height is going to be 140 pixels, but you can change it. This is the default size, and this is going to be the size right here. You can see it's blank. Then we have vertical spacing. So the vertical spacing is going to be 28 pixels for this. Then we have the minified header height. Now, once you scroll down, right, it will not stay like this big. It will minimize to a tab like this, like a slimmer tab. So how minimize you want it to be, how small, this is where you will add it. Minified version, minified header height, and then spacing. Then we have the mobile and tablet header, menu and submenu. Of course, when you have a header, we sometimes have the navigation bar where we have our menu on our website. So you can customize the menu as well. You will add the submenu background color here if there is a submenu, and it will be shown on your header. Then we have hide labels. So if you want to hide some of the labels and the text and icons on your header, you can click on hide, or you can also, just let it be there and hide the search label as well if there is a search bar. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hide the menu label, and I'm going to hide the search label. What you can do now is you will just save your settings and click on preview to get a preview of the header that you have added. Make sure that you already have a header on the website too. Once you create a simple website on WordPress, then you can add the plugin to customize it and to create a professional website. So you can see right here, once the settings are done, you will click on publish and your header will be published here. The settings will be done. And so again, you can just add like a header selector here. You will select the height, the spacing according to your website, and make sure to go for the same color that you have for your website. Like, don't change the theme for the header and keep it super professional. Once you're done, you can go back, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'll take you back to the plugin on our WordPress so that I can show you more of the settings that we can do. So here we are, we customized our sticky header. This is where you will work. Then we have export. Now this is just a code for the export of our design that we have created. So if you want to do that, you could just select this text from here, copy this one and paste it somewhere to import this data. Then we have reset. If you want to reset all the settings that you did, the settings for the sticky header, you will click on reset. If you want to import another header, a design that you have, you will get a code like this, a link like this, and add it right here. Then we have hints. Click on show hints and it'll show you some of the hints that you should go for the website that you're creating, or you can hide them as well on your website. We can also import and export this to Elementor if we want, and you can also get a header from there. So you can see all of these settings are available. I was using the free version. With the pro version, you will actually get more and more features. Once your header is customized, you can, just publish it, and once it's done, on sticky header on your website to make it look super professional, and it will also make your website very efficient and more interactive. This way you can actually add any of the plugins. I chose the other one, but then I went with the sticky header 2020 because this is more, it has a free version and it is very easy to use. So simply go to your WordPress website, create a simple website, and get rid of the boring header that you always use and get a sticky header for your website using the plugin on WordPress. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.